Okay, hi, boys and girls. We're ready for another lesson, not the math lesson today, but now we're going to do our sounds. And we in Miss T's class, we always do a sound of the week. And this week's sound of the week is IGH, and it's spelled IGH, but it makes the long I sound. Miss Kim, can you show us what sound that long I sound makes?
I.
Good job, Miss Kim. And so we're going to be reading some words that have the IGH spelling in it, and we're going to read them together. So, boys and girls, what we do is I'll do it sound by sound, and you can say it with us as you're watching the video. And Miss Kim's going to pretend to be you, and it's going to say the sound as we go along. Are you ready, Miss Kim?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Um, so again, I'll write on the top. This is our sound of the week, IGH, which makes a long I sound. Okay. And then here we go. So the first letter is this letter. What's this sound, Miss Kim? Good job. Next, we add the I. What does that have?
Hi.
Good job. What's this sound?
S.
And then we add this sound pattern.
Sigh.
Good job. Next word is a digraph. So be careful with this one. What sound does this make? Good job, the sound. And then we add our sound of the week. What's
Thigh.
very good? Thigh. So we have high, sigh, and thigh. Okay. What's this sound? Can we
S.
add our IGH?
Sigh.
Good. And then we add this sound.
T.
So let's blend it all together. The word is sight.
Sight. Sight.
Good job. You can follow along with Miss Kim. And the next word is
Mm. I. T. I. T. Might.
good job. Next word is, okay, give me the sound of this.
I.
Good job.
T. I'd fight.
Good job.
And I don't want to fight with you.
No, we don't want anyone to fight. Oopsies. I'm trying to make this bigger. Oh, it's not working. Okay, here we go. Next word is
L.
sound.
I. T. L. I. T. Light.
Light. Good job. Here's the next one. Now we're going to have some blends. So tell me the sound that this blend makes.
L. I. T.
Blend it all together.
L. I. T. Flight.
Good job. Next one. Oh, this one is not a blend.
T. I. T. T. I. T. Tight.
Good job. Remember, boys and girls, it's just making the long I sound. The G and the H are silent. Here's another. This is a digraph.
Oh, is it silent? Is the K silent? So,
Very good. So we know it's not kn, it's just n.
I, t, I, t, night.
Good job. And then the next one is this blend.
Sl, I, t, sl, I, t, slight.
Good job. We're going to write our last set of words. First sound. Miss Kim, what's the
Oh,
first sound?
er,
Good job.
I,
Last sound.
I, t, right.
Good job.
You are always right, Miss T.
You're also always right, Miss Kim.
Thank you.
Here's our next blend.
Fr, I, t. Fr, I, t. Fright.
Good job. And here's our next word.
Pl, I, t. Pl, I, t. Plight.
And then our last word for today.
Br, I, t. Br, I, t. Bright.
Okay, let's try seeing if we can just read the word that I highlight. So if I highlight a couple, we're going to highlight a couple of words and I want you to read it with us, okay? What's this word?
Tight.
What's this word?
Light.
Light. What's this word?
Fright.
Right. And last word, what's this word?
Sight.
Good job. Now I'm going to go ahead and write a sentence, and I want you to read the sentence in your head before I finish as I write it, and then think of how you might want to read those words to sound like a fluent reader. So read it in your head. And remember, readers, we don't read like a robot. We should not be reading like this. The bright light was quite a sight. So let's think of a way where you can scoop those words to make it sound like a smooth sentence. So it might sound like the bright light was quite a sight. Miss Kim, can you try reading the sentence?
The bright light was quite a sight.
Good. I love how Miss Kim remembered there's an exclamation point at the end of the sentence. So we should sound more excited when we read that sentence. Here's the next one. So try it again. You're reading it in your head, and then you're going to read and ask yourself, how do I sound like a fluent reader that reads smoothly? Okay. So we should sound like a fluent reader, and you might want to sound like this. The night gave me a fright last night. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The
The
night
gave
gave me a fright last
last
night.
night.
Good job, boys and girls. So today, maybe in your own reading, because we know you're reading at home, try to find words that have the IGH spelling. And remember, it makes a long I sound. And then tomorrow, we're going to give you another set of words to try at home. Bye.
Bye.